Let's talk about Citrix as a service. This is really a way for us to simplify management, meaning we have options about where we deploy the management plane, which are all the parts and pieces that the administrators deal with, and the resource plane, which is the desktops, applications, and data that our users connect to. Let's look at two key components of a Citrix deployment. In a traditional Citrix deployment, users connect to virtual desktops, apps, and data from any device. So this includes the underlying infrastructure, the servers, the storage, and network. This is what we call the resource plane and where the users connect. Now we contrast that with the management plane. This is where the administrator manages the Citrix environment and its underlying components. So pieces like storefront, license server, director, etc. Now in an on-premises environment, both the resource plane and the management plane are housed in the customer data center. And both components are managed by the corporate IT department. But what if there was a way to simplify the management of your Citrix environment? To eliminate the need for upgrades, updates, and to have a highly available management component that is deployed in hours instead of weeks. Really an environment that allows you to manage resources, virtual desktops, applications, and data in any deployment location, all of this offered as a service. This is Citrix as a service, a management plane built and maintained by Citrix and offered as a service. Essentially, this is moving the management plane to the Citrix maintained cloud. Administrators can manage their environment as they always have, but without the burden of maintaining and upgrading the management plane and all the services that go with it. And users can still seamlessly connect to their desktops, apps, and data resources. It's important to note that Citrix does not host your desktops and application in its cloud. So the resource plane is managed by you, the customer. This is not a desktop as a service offering. Desktops and applications are always customer managed. Citrix only maintains the management plane. Now this provides flexibility and really infrastructure choice. Resources can be deployed anywhere, so on premises, in the cloud, or both. We can leverage traditional infrastructure, hyper-converged infrastructure like Nutanix with Instant On, or public cloud resources such as Microsoft Azure. Citrix as a service is a fast, simple, and flexible way to provide the digital workspace to your business.